Usually during the late 20s and 30s, lumilitaw na yung mga fine lines and wrinkles natin. Hi, I'm Doc J, your board-certified dermatologist and hair specialist here at Dermis. Basically, there are two types of wrinkles, yung tinatawag nating dynamic lines and the static lines. Dynamic lines are the wrinkles that shows whenever you make facial expression. Very common yan sa ating mga sides ng eyes, tinatawag nating crow's feet, yung frown lines, and yung mga forehead lines natin. Yung mga static lines naman are wrinkles that show on the face even if you don't produce any facial movement or facial expression. They show because nagiging permanent na yung mga dynamic lines and or because of aging and frequent sun exposure. How do we treat them? Isa sa mga pinaka-common na medical procedure na ginagawa natin is yung neurotoxin injection, more commonly known as Botox. So hindi lang for celebrities ang Botox, it's for you too who experience frequent wrinkles sa ating skin. Disclaimer lang, Botox is a medical procedure and should only be done by medical doctors. See you again! Bye!